Hey peeps, how y'all doing today? I'm doing good. That's good. How I'm doing? I'm doing good. Yeah, it's hot though. It's hot. So today is I'm gonna tell y'all what today is, y'all. I'll be bringing my phone. Today is July 26th at 12:09 in the p.m. And currently it is 87 degrees, 12:09 in the p.m. But it feels like 97. That's right. How they got 87 degrees and feels like 97? That's 10 degrees. That's a 10-degree difference. So basically it's 97 degrees already at 12:09 in the p.m., y'all. It's hot. So yeah, that's what's happening right now. The heat is what's happening. That's what's up, the heat. All eyes on you, heat. So, this morning I got up around 9:30. Shan fixed me breakfast, waffles, eggs, and 3 link sausages, which was good. I haven't had no link sausage in a minute, so the little skinny ones, the link, yeah. This heat. What I've been doing? Well, hubby was trying to mow the lawn, but the lawnmower won't start. And when it rains, it pours. I'm telling you. So I don't know. Bought a spark plug, but that didn't do nothing. Probably need some carburetor on it. Carburetor spray or something. I don't know. I don't look. So yeah, I hope y'all doing good. It's Sunday. By the time y'all watch this, I'm gonna put it up Wednesday. This is my Wednesday video. So yeah, I gotta cook some fish today. I dread getting in that kitchen, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do, cause that's what we do, right? I say hey to the peeps. He upset about his lawnmower, y'all. So, I know I was on my computer today. Oh, they had cleanup lists today, so last Sunday of the month, we have more of a detailed cleanup list. I get on. Like the Sunny, he had to move, sweep them out behind the refrigerator, clean out the kitchen garbage. She and the rain, I get them little different little things, like go downstairs and wipe off the deep freezer, the whole deep freezer, little stuff, clean off the top of the refrigerator, clean the toaster, get the rubber in between the refrigerator and the freezer, that rubber right there, for some reason it always get crumbs right there. So, clean the bottles in the kitchen on the wall. Ring had to do one side, she had to do another side. Straighten up some bins. So yeah, getting her done. But I know I was on my computer and it was on my news page, and it was talking about a 9-year-old girl died from COVID or something in Florida, and talking about 4 or 5 kids done died from COVID in Florida. I think like 2009, 11. Is it 5 kids? Um, 16. Like, what's up with that, y'all? What? And then the one that just passed, they said she wasn't, it was like she wasn't around nobody. She just had a high fever and then she collapsed. I don't know. I don't even know, y'all. It's some strange times, I tell you that much. Stranger than reading this paper. Smoking the hell. So yeah. I'm trying to see, can I pull it up? I think it was on US Today. Okay, I'll be back. Huh? Yeah, it's a 9-year-old girl who died of COVID, had no known underlying health issue, family says. It's like 5 hours ago. Okay. But when I was looking at, they had a list of kids that done died from COVID. Not just her, she the latest. A Florida mother lost 2 children to COVID-19 within 11 days on CNN. 2 of her adult children died of COVID within 11 days of each other. Now bear with me. Then they took a trip to Orlando just before they became sick. One was 20. Is this right? One was 23. Headache and fever. Not breathing got worse. She lost a kidney. What the what? July 20th, 2020. 2 African American females. It's really interesting, y'all. But anyway, let me get on into my read. Let's get ready to do this. Y'all ready? Okay, we in the smoking and health. We in 1990s. The blanket denial. Denial. That's what this country built upon. A lot of denials. Okay. Information. U.S. Judge Sarah Ken rules in the tobacco case Haynes versus Liquid Group that Haynes versus Liquid Group. It's this judge. He rules that all too often in the choice between the physical health of consumers and the financial well-being of business, concealment is chosen over disclosure. Concealment is chosen over disclosure, and I think that's what's happening today. Sales over safety and money over morality. I think that's what's happening today. Who are these persons who knowingly and secretly decide to put the buying public at risk solely for the purpose of making profits, and who believe that illness and death or consuming is an apparent cost of their own prosperity? That's exactly what's happening today. As the following facts disclose, despite some rising pretenders, the tobacco industry may be the king of concealment and disinformation. And that was the U.S. Judge Sarah Kane said this against Haynes versus Liggett Group back in 1992. Wow, coming up to date, y'all. We don't smoke that blank. We don't smoke that blank, okay? Information. An actor promoting R.J. Reynolds products as a RJR executive. Why he does not smoke? He is told, quote, "We don't smoke that blank. We just sell it." Woo! Now, an actor promoting R.J. Reynolds products asks an RJR executive why he does not smoke. We don't smoke that. We just sell it. We just reserve the right. We just reserve the right to smoke for the young, the poor, and the black and the stupid. Telling you, history is repeating itself for real. We don't smoke that blank. We just sell it. We just reserve the right to smoke. We just reserve the right to smoke for the young, the poor, the black, and the stupid. How about that? It's coming out. That was cited in First Tuesday ITV back in 1992. Right there. Ex-industry scientist says it's time for the truth. Information. Anthony Colucci, a former scientist with R.J. Reynolds, states this, quote, "I'm a scientist who says it's about time they quit this charade. I'm sick and tired of the way they distort and ignore the science. It's time for them to tell the truth. They had a responsibility early on to tell what their own researchers were finding out earlier, way back when. Instead, they ignored it and made a mockery of it. Just like Satan, I think it's time for the tobacco industry to say, this stuff kills people. We know that. Smoke at your own risk." This was quoted back in 1992. Smoke at your own risk. I guess that little thing they got on the package is saying that now. But even with that, the chemicals they put in it, we get addicted to those chemicals. They know how to mix them chemicals up because they know. Years of study and research, they know. Because if they didn't, it wouldn't be hard to stop. It'd be like drinking water. Some don't even could go a day without drinking water. It'd be like drinking what? I mean, something that people need but don't partake in on a day-to-day, basically, because water, for the most part, they don't do nothing to it. It's not addictive. So anytime you find yourself being addicted to something, it's something in there they done put in it that done did something, sending messages all through your body to make you want to have this thing. Like drugs. Chemicals is drugs. Duh. Okay, let's keep it moving. Wow, we don't smoke. This one is like, wow, whoa. We just sell it. We just reserve the right to smoke for the young, the poor, the black, and the stupid. Why the black and the stupid gotta and the poor gotta be all in the same sentence? Whoa! And that's how they feel, huh? Just say it loud. Like, just say it. But they put it in words, y'all. Put it in paper. They won't get on TV saying it. Basically, they do in a way. They do say things like this in a subliminal way, though. Okie dokie, y'all. How am I? Topic. But the denials continue into 1998 and under oath. Information. Murray Walker, Vice President and Chief Spokesman for the Tobacco Institute, testifying at the Minnesota trial, quote, "We don't believe it's ever been established that smoking is the cause of disease." And that was quoted by Murray Walker back in 1998 at a trial. Under oath. Look, we're going to drop the marker and the pencil. Not the mic. The mark under oath at a trial. But he's supposed to tell the truth. Nothing but the truth. So help you God. Okay. We're going to keep you moving though. Information. Jeffrey Bible, chairman of Philip Morris, testifies at the Minnesota trial. Quote, "I am unclear in my own mind whether anyone dies of cigarette smoking related disease." He unclear in his own mind. He's a chairman of Philip Morris. And that was cited back in Pioneer Press back in 1998. Truth will set the people free. Information. And fudging continues in the press. Now that's the topic, y'all. Topic. And fudging continues in the press. Information. John Carlisle of the Tobacco Manufacturers Association is questioned in a magazine. Question. Does smoking cause lung cancer? John Carlisle respond. There's no shortage of statistics. It's extraordinary the amount of research that has gone into our product and the many and varied opinions that people hold about it. That was quoted back in the UK by the Tobacco Manufacturer Association back in 1998. There's no shortage of statistics. It's extraordinary the amount of research that's gone into our product and the many and varied opinions that people hold about it. A lot of this wasn't even opinions; it was facts. It was proof. They just held it and still holding it, like they still doing a lot of stuff. Here we go. Topic. And to the BBC, the industry still will not give a straight answer. Information. Following the release of a 1970 memo showing that Gallagher accepted that smoking caused lung cancer, John Carlisle of TMA is interviewed on BBC Radio flagship Today's program. The question was, what would it take to convince you that tobacco can be harmful, Mr. Carlisle, if it doesn't? If this doesn't. John Carlisle, well, one cannot pour out just one report which has been leaked to a national newspaper and say this is the evidence we have been waiting for. Apparently, Mr. Carlisle has not noticed numerous reports of the Royal College of Physicians and U.S. Surgeon General and is still waiting for evidence. Question. But Mr. Carlisle, this is absolutely conclusive evidence that apart from what the research shows, that Gallagher has concealed conclusive knowledge about the harmful effects of tobacco for all those 30 years. John Carlisle. There is no such thing as conclusive evidence when you are talking about such a vast subject. Wow. Wow. I got her done, y'all. Look at that. How about that? 7/26/20 Sunday. Getting her done, y'all. Man, this is just all messed up, y'all. This is the tobacco industry. This is the U.S. Surgeon General and the U.S. I mean, if they can lie about this, what else can they lie about? What else is they lying about? Y'all, this just blew me away. Y'all already know I gotta go back to this because this just blew me for real. Like, what the what? An actor promoting RJ Reynolds products as an RJR. Exactly why he does not smoke. He told, "We don't smoke that blank. We just sell it. We just reserve the right to smoke for the young, the poor, the black, and the stupid." And that was cited in First Tuesday ITV back in 1992. So really, when they was like smoking in the, you know, like if y'all watch the old movies like John Wayne and a lot of the black and white movies, how they used to always have cigarettes in their hand. I wonder was they really smoking that or they was promoting it. That was another way to promote it. You know what I'm saying? To make it seem like this cool, this is a cool thing to do to keep it in the people's eyes. And so they can get inside your head and be like, it's okay, they doing it. Really, they probably weren't really doing nothing at all. Or they could have got caught up like that too. Who knows, you know? Because, hey, it probably started like that for the young, poor, black, and stupid, but it doesn't affect all kinds of people. Not just the young, the old, the poor, the rich, the black, all kind of races, and the stupid and the so-called smart people too. You know, a lot of people don't get caught up by this thing called cigarette, and a lot of people don't get it. The lung cancer, the results from the smoking of the cigarette, and it's the smoke. Smoke, y'all, is just not good for your lungs. But when you add like 10 million chemicals to it, man, that's just gonna tear it up in the inside. Smoke already ain't good for your lungs. But then when you put chemicals up inside yourself and causing all type of chemical imbalances, and man, ain't no telling what chemicals they gonna put up in it and what kind of damage it's gonna cause to your lungs, to your liver, to your heart, to your brain, to all your insides that God created it and gave you whole and healthy for the most part when you was born. So I'm done. I hope y'all enjoyed that and really like meditate on that, because this was some serious good information right here. So yeah, I liked this. This was good. Wow. It was deep too. Wow. Whew. Alright. So I hope y'all enjoyed that read. My little insight, my little input. It don't be much. I be having all kind of woe moments when I be doing these reads. I hope y'all do too. You know, like for real, for real. So yeah, on that note, I hope everybody enjoyed it. Wednesday, have a blessed Wednesday, a safe Wednesday, a productive Wednesday. Get her done, and a protective Wednesday, Thursday, and I see y'all back at the table on Friday with my read from Lead Me, Holy Spirit. Man, the way the world's set up, it's against us. It's like Hunger Games. What's the saying of the Hunger Games? May the odds be in your favor. Man, about it's self-preservation. It's about self-preservation, and you need help because the stuff that's happening is bigger than us. Just on a daily basis, you know, like people be behind the scenes conjuring up some things, and God got this. He got this. He sees everything, you know, and you have to. Man, you have to believe in something bigger that's real, that can intercede on your behalf and give you the wisdom, knowledge, and understanding to know things, to research things, to question things. As they say, think outside of the box. You get what I'm saying? We need that to live, to really live your best life in this world, because Satan coming for you on all kind of levels, y'all. All kinds of levels. Probably some we don't even know nothing about yet, you know, but you keep it living, people coming out with things, you know. This is the year of exposure to me, you know, not just exposure to this, but exposure to a lot of things and the people behind the things and everything. So yeah, on that note, I'm out. Peace, love, share something, and what?
It's simple.
Bye, y'all.
Who love me and who don't, Lord, let it reveal. Should I go back to save them or let them die in the field? How you out there living life, you just dancing with ghosts. How many people with them, they known more than a year? Gotta move smart, got something to lose. No, wait. No, please. Please. No!
Take the shackles off my feet so I can dance. I just wanna praise you. I just wanna praise you.
Shackles on my feet, yeah, they won't let me be. Won't you set me free? Break this on me. Shackles on my feet, oh, they won't let me be. Won't you set me free? Break this on me. Break this hold on.
Let me go. I've been going through so much, I swear these people at my throat. That's on me, that's on mamas. On my mama, I can't take no more, so miss me with that drama. Get your commas, get your rec straight, get your facts straight. Hold me down, I rise up on her like the tax rate. Keep my past straight, never lack faith. God been working, they gon' have to hold me back, man. And tell them, you can pick a side if you wanna. You already know who I roll with. You don't want no problems with me. Get these shackles
on my feet, yeah, they won't let me be. Won't you set me free? Break this on me. Break this on. I got them shackles off my feet, yeah. Can't put me back up in them streets, yeah. I couldn't move, but now I'm free, yeah. I got them shackles on my feet, yeah.
Down for me. People left me, you was round for me. All that bitterness and anger, had to let it go. People talking down on me, I guess that's how it go. Let them know, that's on me, yeah. Shackles on my feet, you broke the hold and now I'm free, yeah. Even in the darkest times, you kept your light on me, yeah. Got the memo, read the message. Found my purpose, found my method. Only all I took was lessons. Tell them, you can pick a side if you wanna. You already know who I roll with. You don't want no problems with me. Get these shackles
on my feet, yeah, they won't let me be. Won't you set me free? Break this on me. Break this on me. I got them shackles off my feet.